Dear wealth enthusiast, echo with me right now. I embrace riches. Yes, we affirm positively as we work towards achieving our money and financial freedom goals. Who says you cannot be rich? That must be a lie from the pit of hell. Get ready to uncover practical financial wisdom, savvy finance tips, and essential money habits in this video. Remember, the super rich and wealthy are not mythical creatures. They're just like us, with the same number of heads. It's their money habits that set them apart. So grab your pen, popcorn, and your favorite healthy drink, and let's embark on this exciting journey to financial prosperity. Subscribe to the channel to be the first to get our thrilling and valuable content for your wealth journey. The number one money lesson for you to become rich faster is, do not buy status, earn it. Buying things just to impress others who don't truly care about you or your well-being can lead to empty fulfillment. It's important to spend your resources on things that genuinely matter to you and contribute to your happiness and fulfillment, rather than seeking validation from others through material possessions. Strive to attain the status you aspire to through genuine effort and accomplishment, rather than attempting to fabricate it. Imagine your life as a grand stage production, with you as the lead actor. Now picture yourself in the spotlight, adorned with flashy props and extravagant costumes, all designed to impress an audience. But here's the twist. The audience isn't really paying attention. They're busy chatting amongst themselves, barely glancing in your direction. In this theater of life, buying things solely to impress others is like investing all your energy and resources into those flashy props and costumes. Sure, they might catch a few fleeting glances, but they won't leave a lasting impression. Meanwhile, backstage, you have a treasure trove of authentic props and costumes that truly reflect your passions, dreams, and personality. Instead of chasing after the fleeting applause of those who barely notice you, why not focus on the genuine joys and passions that light up your soul? Invest in the things that bring you true happiness and fulfillment, whether it's pursuing your hobbies, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply indulging in the small pleasures that make life rich. In the grand theater of life, the most captivating performances are those fueled by authenticity and passion, not by the shallow desire to impress an indifferent audience. So let your life be a masterpiece, crafted from the genuine essence of who you are, rather than a hollow spectacle aimed at winning fleeting admiration. The number one money lesson for you to become rich faster is, understand how to plant money seeds to grow money trees. The concept of planting money seeds to grow a money tree is a metaphorical way of describing the process of investing, or using money wisely to generate more wealth over time. Just as you plant seeds in soil with the expectation that they will grow into fruitful trees, you invest your money with the hope that it will multiply and yield returns in the future. Here's how the metaphor breaks down. 1. Planting money seeds. This involves making strategic financial decisions, such as investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting a business. Just like planting seeds, you're putting your money into something with the expectation that it will grow and bear fruit in the future. 2. Growing a money tree. The money tree represents the wealth that you hope to cultivate from your initial investments. As your investments grow and generate returns, your wealth multiplies, much like a tree bearing fruit over time. In essence, planting money seeds to grow a money tree emphasizes the importance of making smart financial choices and investing for the long term in order to build wealth and achieve financial success. It's about nurturing your financial resources and allowing them to grow and flourish over time, much like tending to a garden and watching it thrive. Let's delve into the world of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, and his perspective on using money as a tool for wealth. Imagine Buffett as a master craftsman meticulously carving out a masterpiece from a block of marble. Except in this case, the marble represents his vast wealth and the masterpiece is a legacy of prosperity and wisdom. Buffett doesn't see money as merely a means of acquiring possessions or status symbols. Instead, he views it as a chisel to sculpt a better future, both for himself and for society. Like a skilled artist, he carefully allocates his resources, investing in businesses that he believes will generate long-term value and sustainable growth. Rather than chasing after fleeting trends or flashy displays of opulence, Buffett's wealth-building strategy is rooted in patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of fundamental principles. He's not interested in quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. He's in it for the long haul, steadily building wealth over time through prudent investments and sound financial decisions. In Buffett's workshop, money isn't just a tool for personal enrichment. It's a vehicle for creating lasting prosperity and leaving a positive impact on the world. Like a sculptor shaping a masterpiece, Buffett uses his wealth to build bridges to a brighter tomorrow, one thoughtful investment at a time. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is focus on your financial goals. Staying focused on your wealth creation and financial goals is crucial for long-term success. Think of it like navigating a ship through stormy waters. You need to keep your eyes on the compass and steer towards your destination. Despite the distractions and challenges that may arise, distractions can come in many forms. Whether it's the temptation to splurge on unnecessary purchases, getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations, or being swayed by the latest investment fad. But by maintaining a clear vision of your financial objectives and staying disciplined in your approach, you can navigate through these distractions and stay on course towards building the future you desire. Just like a skilled captain who charts a course and adjusts sails to reach their destination, you too can take proactive steps to manage your finances, make informed decisions, and stay focused on the path to achieving your wealth creation goals. So keep your eyes on the prize, stay disciplined, and don't let distractions veer you off course from your financial success. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is place value on your time. Time is money is a classic adage that emphasizes the value of time, suggesting that time is a valuable resource that should be used wisely. The phrase is often attributed to Benjamin Franklin, who included it in his essay Advice to a Young Tradesman in 1748. It's a reminder that wasting time can be equivalent to wasting potential earnings or opportunities. Imagine time as a currency that flows through the vast marketplace of life. Each second, each minute, each hour is a coin waiting to be spent. But here's the catch. Unlike money, time is finite and irreplaceable. You can't earn more of it. Once it's gone forever. Now picture yourself as a skilled trader in this bustling marketplace. Every decision you make, every action you take, is a transaction using this precious currency. You can invest it wisely, reaping rewards in the form of experiences, accomplishments, and memories. Or you can squander it, frivolously throwing away your coins on trivial pursuits that yield little value. In this marketplace, time doesn't just tick away. It flows like a river, carrying with it endless opportunities and potential. But just like a river, if you don't navigate it carefully, it can sweep you away, leaving you stranded in the currents of regret. So when someone says time is money, what they're really saying is, treat your time with the same respect and diligence you would treat your finances. Invest it wisely, spend it purposefully, and watch as your life becomes enriched with the wealth of meaningful experiences and achievements. Before we move on, this is just to check if this video is valuable to you. If so, type yes in the comment section. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is, do not procrastinate. Picture this. You're on a journey through a forest, and your destination is a shimmering city of prosperity. Each step you take represents progress toward your financial goals. However, lurking in the shadows of this forest is a mischievous creature called procrastination. At first, procrastination appears harmless, like a cute woodland critter. But as you continue your journey, it starts whispering sweet lies in your ear. Rest a little longer, it coaxes. There's plenty of time to reach the city. Why rush? So you listen, thinking there's no harm in delaying your journey for a little while. But as time passes, you realize that procrastination is not your friend. It's a cunning trickster leading you astray with its seductive promises of tomorrow. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and before you know it, you're lost in the maze of procrastination. The city of prosperity seems farther away than ever, obscured by the dense foliage of missed opportunities and wasted time. Meanwhile, your peers who resisted the siren song of procrastination are forging ahead. They're investing their time wisely, planting seeds of financial growth that blossom into fruitful endeavors. As you languish in the forest of procrastination, watching your dreams slip further out of reach, you realize the true cost of delay. Every moment spent procrastinating is a coin tossed into the void, never to be recovered. And with each missed opportunity, your chances of reaching the city of prosperity dwindle. So heed this warning. Beware the allure of procrastination, for it is the silent thief of wealth and opportunity. Stay vigilant, stay focused, and keep forging ahead on your journey to financial success. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is, be resilient. Resilience is like a sturdy ship navigating the stormy seas of life. When financial challenges arise, those who possess resilience are better equipped to weather the tempest and emerge stronger, wiser, and yes, even richer. Imagine resilience as a suit of armor, protecting you from the arrows of adversity that life may launch your way. When faced with setbacks, a job loss, a failed investment, or a market downturn, resilient individuals don't crumble. They adapt, they learn, and they press forward with unwavering determination. Here's how resilience can pave the road to wealth, turning setbacks into comebacks. Resilient individuals view setbacks not as roadblocks, but as detours on the path to success. They learn from their mistakes, adjust their strategies, and bounce back stronger than before. Each setback becomes a valuable lesson in the journey toward financial prosperity. Opportunity amidst adversity. While others may see only despair in times of crisis, resilient individuals have a knack for spotting opportunity. Whether it's investing in undervalued assets during a market downturn or starting a new venture in the face of adversity, they have the courage and foresight to seize opportunities that others might overlook. Persistent pursuit of goals. Resilience fuels persistence. When others throw in the towel, resilient individuals roll up their sleeves and keep pushing forward. Whether it takes months, years, or even decades, they stay the course until they achieve their financial goals. Embracing change. In today's rapidly evolving world, adaptability is key to financial success. Resilient individuals embrace change rather than fear it. They are quick to pivot, to innovate, and to capitalize on emerging trends, ensuring that they stay ahead of the curve in an ever-changing landscape. Building strong networks. Resilient individuals understand the power of community. They surround themselves with mentors, advisors, and peers who offer support, guidance, and valuable connections. By fostering strong relationships, they gain access to opportunities and insights that can accelerate their path to wealth. In essence, resilience is not just about weathering the storm. It's about harnessing its power to propel you toward greater heights. By cultivating resilience, you not only safeguard your financial future, but you also unlock the potential for true wealth, the ability to thrive in the face of adversity and emerge richer in every sense of the word. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is create several sources of income. Imagine your income as a lush garden, where each plant represents a different source of financial nourishment. Instead of relying on a single crop, you cultivate a diverse array of flora, each bearing its own unique fruit. This garden of income not only ensures abundance but also provides resilience against the whims of nature. 1. The mighty oak of employment. At the heart of your garden stands the mighty oak of employment. This sturdy tree provides the foundational income that sustains your financial ecosystem. Its broad branches offer stability and security, anchoring your garden against the winds of uncertainty. 2. The fruitful vine of entrepreneurship. Twisting and turning among the foliage is the fruitful vine of entrepreneurship. From its tendrils sprout the seeds of innovation, bearing the sweetest fruits of autonomy and wealth creation. With each harvest, you reap the rewards of your ingenuity and hard work. 3. The evergreen hedge of investments. Standing tall and unwavering is the evergreen hedge of investments. Its verdant leaves symbolize the growth and prosperity that come from wise financial stewardship. Whether in stocks, bonds, or real estate, this hedge provides a shield against inflation and a pathway to long-term wealth accumulation. 4. The blooming flowers of side hustles. Scattered throughout your garden are the blooming flowers of side hustles. These vibrant blooms represent your diverse passions and talents, each offering its own bounty of supplemental income. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or selling handmade crafts, these flowers add color and variety to your financial landscape. 5. The burgeoning orchard of passive income. Nestled in a sun-dappled corner of your garden is the burgeoning orchard of passive income. Here, trees laden with ripe fruit, dividends, royalties, rental income offer a steady stream of revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Like a well-tended orchard, this source of income requires patience and nurturing but yields bountiful rewards in the long run. As you tend to your garden of income, nurturing each source with care and attention, you create a thriving ecosystem of financial abundance. Just as a diverse ecosystem is more resilient to environmental changes, so too is a diverse portfolio of income sources better equipped to weather the storms of economic uncertainty. So, roll up your sleeves, dig in the soil of opportunity, and let your garden of income flourish and thrive. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is maximize your strengths. Leveraging your strengths is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial success. Identifying your unique talents, skills, and abilities allows you to focus your efforts on areas where you can excel. By maximizing your strengths, you can differentiate yourself in the marketplace, whether it's through entrepreneurship, investing, or advancing in your career. For example, if you're a skilled communicator, you might excel in sales or negotiation, enabling you to secure better deals or attract more clients. If you have strong analytical abilities, you could use that skill to make informed investment decisions or identify lucrative opportunities in the market. Understanding and capitalizing on your strengths not only increases your chances of success, but also enhances your confidence and motivation. It allows you to work smarter, not just harder, by channeling your energy into activities where you have a competitive advantage. This strategic approach can accelerate your wealth-building journey and position you for long-term financial abundance. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is: surround yourself with successful people and mentors. Surrounding yourself with successful and accomplished individuals can indeed be a powerful strategy for growing your wealth. By associating with people who have already achieved the level of success you aspire to, you can gain valuable insights, knowledge, and inspiration. Here are a few ways in which surrounding yourself with successful people can benefit your wealth-building journey. Learning from their experiences. Successful individuals often have valuable insights and lessons learned from their own paths to success. By listening to their stories and experiences, you can gain valuable knowledge about what works and what doesn't in wealth building. Networking opportunities. Building relationships with successful people can open doors to new opportunities, whether it's potential business partnerships, investment opportunities, or career advancement prospects. Networking with individuals who have achieved what you desire can expand your professional circle and provide access to valuable resources and connections. Motivation and inspiration. Being around successful individuals can fuel your motivation and inspire you to aim higher and push yourself further. Seeing others achieve their goals can instill belief in your own potential and encourage you to take action towards your own wealth-building aspirations. Accountability. Surrounding yourself with successful people can create a culture of accountability. When you're surrounded by high achievers, you're more likely to set ambitious goals and hold yourself accountable for taking the necessary steps to reach them. However, it's essential to choose your circle wisely and ensure that the individuals you surround yourself with align with your values, goals, and vision for success. Seek out mentors, advisors, and peers who not only have achieved financial success, but also embody qualities such as integrity, generosity, and a growth mindset. By surrounding yourself with the right people, you can create a supportive environment that propels you towards greater wealth and success. The next money lesson for you to become rich faster is: impact lives, legacy is wealth. Let's take the example of Oprah Winfrey, a renowned figure known for her immense wealth and influence. Oprah didn't just amass her fortune to flaunt it. She used her wealth as a powerful tool to make a difference in the world. Instead of indulging in extravagant displays of wealth solely for status, Oprah leveraged her resources to uplift others and promote positive change. She established educational initiatives, funded countless philanthropic endeavors, and provided platforms for marginalized voices to be heard. Oprah's approach to wealth illustrates how money can be a tool for empowerment and social impact. Rather than simply accumulating riches for personal gain, she used her financial resources to create opportunities, inspire others, and contribute to the greater good. In essence, Oprah exemplifies how to use wealth to enrich lives, foster growth, and leave a meaningful legacy. She demonstrates that true fulfillment comes not from hoarding wealth, but from using it as a force for positive transformation in the world. If you enjoyed this video, share it and remember to subscribe for more exclusive content like this. Remember to seek professional financial advice before you make financial decisions. See you in our next video.